nobody wants to hear these words or have a loved one or a friend say these words to them. I have never been diagnosed with cancer, but I can imagine it's a scary time and you have lots of questions that are going through your mind. So as you know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and Madame Glam have partnered up with a charity from New York in support of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I was really honoured that they asked me to take a part of it as well to, you know, bring an awareness to this. So Madame Glam have brought out in a collection called Think Pink, and during the month of October, any purchases from this collection, they will donate $1 to the breast cancer research, and these bottles are discounted as well, so they're reduced to $10. So if you want to support a cause and, you know, introduce some beautiful pink colours to your collection, October is the month to do it. So I came up with this design, which is obviously full of pinks because, you know, think pink, and I really hope that you like it, and I hope you get on board and support this cause. If you want to check out Madame Glam's polishes, then click the link that I've provided below. So these are the colours that I'm going to be using. So you've got Purple Pink, All Natural, You're the Pink, and Floris. Those are the bases that I'm going to be using. And I'm also using this awareness plate from Creative Shop, so it's plate 105. So obviously it's got other awarenesses on there, but I'm just going to be using the breast cancer awareness images, and I'm going to be using their clear stamper as well. So as this is an awareness month, you know, let's talk about it. Let's not just go, hey, here's a collection, go buy it. Because, you know, you need to talk about it. Are you a cancer survivor? And if so, and if you feel comfortable, please relate your story in the comments box below and give any hints or tips that you might think will be helpful. You know, somebody could have just been told the devastating news that they've got cancer, or somebody that they know has got cancer. So you know what that's like, and you can offer your advice. We did have somebody in our family that got diagnosed with cancer last year, and it's just horrible. It's just the worst news ever. And, you know, I do really firmly believe in, you know your body, have tests that you need to have done. If you feel like there's anything odd, go and have it checked out, because if you get it diagnosed quickly, your chance of survival goes up dramatically. By the way, my family member, they have had their cancer removed, and, you know, so far it's all looking good, and, you know, they're another cancer survivor, and just really, really grateful to the cancer team and all the nurses out there that, you know, helped out and, you know, made this a good, positive outcome. So, you know, that's why when Madame Glam asked me, I really did want to get on board with this, because it's just so important. You know, I mean, I've got no idea what goes into the research and what they need to do, and I think they're probably getting new cases and rare cancers all of the time. So, you know, help them get the finances they need to do the research they need to kick cancer's ass, because, you know what, it's such a ruthless disease, and, you know, it'd be great if, you know, they could find a cure and, you know, we could be done with it, so nobody has to have that devastating news. But, you know, until then, or, you know, something else happens, you know, that's the case. So it would be great if you could work alongside Madame Glam, who, you know, is a fantastic gel polish company as well. You know, they are all for your health and, you know, having healthy nails, and they don't want anything to be damaging to your body. That's why they're 9-free. That's why they're cruelty-free, vegan-free. You know, they're a real good quality company to buy from. And obviously the collections that they've brought out, these beautiful, beautiful pinks. So I did do swatches of the polishes as well. So if you watch the end of the video, you will get to see photos of these swatches. And if you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen that I was putting on the application on my Instagram stories. I did things a little bit differently. Normally I would put it on here, but I just decided to focus on the design a little bit more. So if you want to check out those, then go onto my Instagram, go onto the highlights section, and there's a Madame Glam section. You can go on there and you can see all of these polishes being applied as well. if that's something that you want to look into before you purchase these glitters. So hopefully you like this design that I have created. By the way, I wanted to kind of get the awareness across. I didn't want to overcomplicate it. I wanted it to be pretty. And, you know, maybe this is something that you can wear, you know, maybe if you're going to a cancer coffee morning or something like that, and you want to have a nice sort of nails, like an awareness nails, you know, maybe this is something that you would want to wear. I don't know, but, you know, hopefully that you like it anyway. So just to finish this nail off, I am applying just loose glitters to the little sort of circle dots in the middle, just again to add that little bit more glitter, that little bit more bling, make you feel that little bit more special. So with this one, obviously, you know, the theme is to, you know, have a good old feel of your boobs and get to know them. So, you know, if you do pick up on any differences, go and have them checked out. And, you know, you won't know what's normal and what isn't if you don't regularly check they. You know, sometimes, especially around the, you know, the time of your period, they can get a little bit more lumpy, bumpy. But if you regularly feel, you kind of know what's normal and what isn't. Then, you know, that's going to be really good and beneficial for you. So all you want to do now is go ahead and apply your top coat and cure it in your lamp. Obviously all Madame Glam products are 30 seconds in the lamp, whether it's your base coat or your polish as well, so that's really good. And this kind of how it all looks together, so I really do like it, even though it's not a very nice subject. You know, it's very pretty in pink, and I really hope that you guys like it too. So, like I say, the link to Madame Glam's store to check out their Think Pink collection is in the description box below, so make sure that you go and check that out. So just quickly before I go, they did send me this as well. Now I've heard all sorts of good things about this cuticle oil. Again, the, you know, wonderful Madame Glam quality. So it's called Elixir, and what I was actually quite surprised at is it's only got 3 ingredients. It's got jojoba oil, which is it jojoba oil, vitamin E and vitamin B. That's all that's in it. So when you open it up, there's not like a really strong smell or anything like that. There is a bit of a smell. I'd imagine that's probably just the jojoba oil, but it's not, you know, anything too potent. So I'll be trialing this one out and seeing what I think of it. Like I say, if you I've been using for such a long time now KIKI London's cuticle oil, because, you know, cuticle oil is very much individual. It's how it's going to react to your skin and whatever your skin needs. But I have heard good things about this, so I'm intrigued to see what it's like, you know, for using it for, you know, quite a while. So yeah, so I'm coming to the end of the video, and I will obviously be showing you swatches of these polishes, which they are really, really gorgeous as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. And like I say, if you are a cancer survivor, or, you know, maybe you've just got the news, then come on here and talk, and hopefully this can be a channel where, you know, we can all help each other and support each other. So thank you, Madame Glam, for reaching out to me to join you in this partnership to bring awareness to breast cancer awareness. And until next time, Jelly Babes, take care.